What's going on, everybody? Infinity Drill here today, and we are drilling into a game called Keplerth. This game, never heard about it, never saw anything about it, just saw it on Steam one day, and I like crafty type games anyway, and saw this, and turns out it's actually a pretty good game, so I figured we could go into it together, and I can kind of show you guys what you're missing out on, and see if I can get some more people into it. But let's get started. So like any other kind of, survival game, you got your modes you can choose between, as well as, choosing your race and your character. Looks like now they added racial traits, so your character actually has bonuses based off their trait. Barbarian. So, like Terraria difficulties. I don't know if you guys know yet, but I always try to play on the hardest difficulty. I might as well go for challenge first, right? And then enjoy it after. Now, world name.
Hello, welcome to your new home. We have arrived at Miko Colony built by our company on a planet called Keplerth. You have just spent 273 years in suspended animation. System is now about to examine your body. Please display the body.
That seems new. I don't remember doing this. But then again, they've also added a lot. The developer, I should say, is pretty on point with everything as far as, adding new stuff. I guess I could have changed my hair, but who cares? Which button was for my inventory. Okay, C is to craft, which makes sense. I'm going to say backpack to B. Energy access. That is connecting to the server. Request reject with a server. Error code. Error does not exist. Has been scrapped. Booting to offline mode. Boot success. Combat function disabled. Switch to server mode. Portal key. Dark. Let's continue tomorrow. Surprise! Yeah, knock the f out. I like how his name has 69 in it. I feel like the developer did that on purpose. He already turned into dried meat. You look strong. Could you help me? My combat function is disabled in offline mode. I can't do anything alone. Matthew Ship, who is he? Making a spacecraft. Must be nice. Oh, okay, I can open that. Da-da-da. I guess the first step is to gather some wood, right? And welcome to Survival Crafters. A lot of punching trees and punching rocks. Craft a campfire. Obviously we need more wood, but I'd like to make a tool, so... C, that's what it is. Stone club, we need stone axe. Okay, so we just need more stone. Kind of reminds me of Don't Starve Together. Top down and then open world at the same time. So I mean, it is open world. It's pretty massive. I mean, it's huge. Like, I know when I was playing last time, we never even explored the outer edges. Like, that's how big it is, and we spent a while playing. I think my fists would start to get bloody or broken. Imagine punching a rock. Call me Hammer Fist. Here. Wait, no, I don't want that up there. I want that down here. I want all the stuff I can use down here. Now let's make some room. Call me Miner 69er. Because that's my life now. I'm a mining fool. So there's another thing that happens, I don't know if you saw in the options when I was designing the world, but you can have monster invasions. The normal game has the invasions. It happens, I think, once every 5 days or something like that. You'll get invaded, but they're actually not too bad to deal with. You can kind of fence them off and then have traps set to where you can kind of farm them constantly. Although, you know, if you don't have equipment for it, it's going to be a little rough, but... Oh man, that was a sticky stick. And excuse the puns, I don't know why, I'm in a punny mood today. I believe this dirt is different as well. Ooh, some more stone. Might as well collect all the stone while we can. We also need to find copper. We need to get a smelter down. Blap. Blap. Get our kitchen down. Our furnace. Start melting some ore. For this, we need some more stone. Let's make a door for now. It's nice of them, they gave us some berries right next to us. And a campfire, look at that. So right clicking will allow you to do one mining or to go back to the normal, which is mine multiples, I guess fine-tune mining. You also have to eat, you got your health, your food, and your energy bar. This is the kind of universal material, that's what you use to upgrade and get your skill points. You can sometimes get like special items from doing things, so like from mining that stone you can get, where is it? Oh, it doesn't show up here. Ancient fossil, I had picked it up. I think it's over here. No, not over here. I guess these are my previous achievements and stuff. It's weird that it shares between accounts. The music is pretty good in this game too. Like the opening song, just hits like fire. We're at 7 p.m. We got a little bit more time before it's night. Might just need to build some walls for our immediate place just so we can get set up. One door? Can we make a dirt door? Yeah, we can. Come on. Thank you. Corner catching is a thing. Make some dirt walls. One more door. Boop, and we have a place. Slap. Look at that. It's like magic. Can we make any more dirt walls? We can't we? We can make one. I don't want to waste the wood. I don't even have a weapon yet. I wonder what it's going to take to make one. Nope, we don't need that. We need this one. Nope, we don't need that. We need this one. Stone club. So just some stone. That's not bad. There's more copper. Go back to here. Or no, we need, it's this one. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're playing with oil. Need a copper anvil. So we can start making some copper weapons. We're going to need quite a bit. Wait, wrong one. A lot of benches also. Bench or station management is a thing because you will end up like for each one you go up, there's going to be like a whole list of stuff for it. So like for this copper, obviously there's a copper bench, there's a copper furniture bench, copper cooking station, copper whatever, and then iron everything. Now we need to make a storage box. One over there, one over there. No, I don't want to trash it. It's right click. Right click makes it go over. Should probably eat actually. See if we can find some creatures. So far, so slow. And again, the beginning of these games are always going to be a little slow to give you a chance to get started before they start sending the enemies at you. Waves do get pretty nuts, and the further you go, the more creatures you find that will end up becoming a wave. So instead of just like one wave, you know, you might get a wave of like 2 or 3, and they get pretty intense. All the enemies kind of work in tiers, kind of like the tools, where they just get stronger and stronger and stronger. Obviously to compensate for us getting overpowered. Mm, 2 a.m. Need to make some torches. I think that takes coal though. Oh, just grab some wood. We need a lot. We need, we're gonna say 30. Or 13. Oh, there's the enemies. Get back. Foul demon. I'll just set up this portal. And these are the 3 starting locations. So you get your base, which is here. There's also an island you get that you start out with, and it's like your own personal island, which is pretty cool. Welcome to your uninhabited island. This is an area bound to the character and independent of the worlds. Each character can only enter their own uninhabited island. From the moment your character enters any world, including the multiplayer online world, until they leave, all the changes you make to the uninhabited island will be saved, including the materials, structures, and creatures, e.g. pets, animals, and monsters, and they will all follow you into another world. You can use rockfill to expand the area of the uninhabited island, which can be made via handicraft. I think this. One of these chests are like your personal chest, where you put stuff in it and only you can take stuff out. These are the rock fields. This is how you add more land. which is a pretty cool idea. Just takes a lot. This is the, I guess you could say, seller. This is the guy where you kind of buy high-level items from. Who are you? Excuse me, WM69 asked me to come here. I don't know who I am, I just woke up from the pod. Where's Danny? Have you seen her? Why are you holding her key card? Danny was kidnapped by Meko. WM69 gave me the key card. He said I could exchange some supplies from you. It's been 4 years since Danny last provided materials for me. I knew something must have happened to her. Meko won't let her stay alive. How about this? You take Danny's place and help me collect materials. I'm making a spacecraft and need a lot of materials. In exchange, once the spacecraft is done, I'll take you out of the planet. WM69 said he would wait for Danny on the spot. Let me persuade him to come and help you with me. Besides some basic repair, if it's of no help and with faults everywhere, had it not been Danny who stopped me, I'd have disassembled it long ago. To me, it's just some possibly useful materials in the waste pile, nothing more. Well, that's rough. Aren't you friends? Friends? They're mecha weapons. Enemies. Do you know how many humans they once slaughtered? Danny had many quarrels with me for WN69, but I always think it's a serious safety hazard. Now you have just woken up. There are a lot of things you don't know. This planet is very dangerous, and even this place is not absolutely safe. Mecha will find the place sooner or later. For now, the most important thing is to complete the spacecraft as soon as possible and leave here, and I can take you with me. See what you can do here. Also, there are some supplies on the table which you can buy if you need them. If you have anything I need, I'll also pay you. That's not something you need to worry about, but we still have a lot of technical difficulties. The gene balls. Gene balls? It's a weird way to call it, but sure. And put them in the technology foundry for analysis. I will show you to make the engine when you've done all the work. And then this is how you make your higher level workbenches and stuff like that, which take boss items. And then this is where you kind of upgrade your character. You can also make replicas, which are basically followers, which is extremely useful, especially if you're playing solo. And then these are going to be like your specialty items. This is like your teleport potion or recall potion in like Terraria or you know, those types of games where you can recall back to your base instantly. You know, a lot of stuff like that, and it's always changing every day. Let's get back to the base. Let's see if we can at least finish closing this wall in. Hey, look at that. It was a perfect amount. Well, now we're protected. So I don't know what you guys think about this game. I actually enjoyed it quite a bit. I mean, I haven't beat it yet. It's kind of one of those games I like to come back to every once in a while. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you want to see more, hit that gong and hit the notifications. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Deuces.